So now you understand what is the difference between the distance and the displacement, and we have to know that the motion can be represented graphically. And one such graph is called the position time graph. Like you see here on the picture, on the x-axis we have the time, and on the y-axis we have the position. So if we the graph like this, what we can understand from this graph? We can understand that the bike is moving to the right at constant velocity. So this is the right, and this is the left, and if the straight line goes in this way, in the right direction, up, we can say that it's moving to the right. And when the light is straight, it means when the line is straight, it means that we have constant velocity. So again, why I can say this? A straight line on a position versus time graph means constant velocity. So if you see the line which is straight, it's the constant velocity. A positive slope, like this one, when the position will increase with the time, means that the bike is moving in a positive direction. So positive direction is to the right, minus plus. Imagine that we see the graph like this. Here with the time, the position is going down. And what we can say? We can say that the bike is moving to the left. It's moving to the left, and because the line is straight, we have the constant velocity here. So here the slope is -1, it goes down. That's why we have the negative direction to the left. What if we see such a graph where the position is not changing? If the position is not changing, we don't move. So the bike is not moving. The position is the same at every time interval. No change, no movement. And the slope is 0. It also means no movement. Is this clear? Okay, let me continue. The sign delta. In mathematics, physics, and other sciences, you can see something like delta. Delta means the change. Delta means the change. For example, you see here the delta D, the change in the distance, or the change in position. D final minus initial. So this is the meaning of the delta. What is the position? It's the location of the object at a specific time. And the displacement is the final position minus initial position. So you know the difference between the distance and the displacement. The displacement is from start to stop. This is the displacement, and the distance is the way which we travel. So how we can find the displacement? By the formula x final minus x initial, or x final minus x 0. we have to know that the displacement is a vector quantity because it has the direction. So, in the example, the teacher moves to the right from 1.5 meters to 3.5 meters. And we have to find the displacement of the teacher. So x final 3.5 minus 1.5. And the displacement of the teacher is 2 meters.